What's up, you guys? Today we are going from tired and overgrown to a full rebuild, so let's get into it. Day 1, we started out with a full demo. We removed any old stone, cut out the liner, and eliminated the outdated shelf system inside the pond. The basin was reshaped for better depth and flow, setting the stage for a total transformation. Here we are taking a slight break to recoup and also reassess our plans. And now we are back to cleaning out the basin, removing old debris, removing the liner and underlayment. We are now also removing all the shelves to prep for the new liner and underlayment to go in. Here we are back for day 2. You can see that with the old material gone, we laid down fresh underlayment and liner. Our crew got to work carefully placing natural stone and building up the pond's new walls to shape the basin. Here we started trimming the liner back, prepped the waterfall area, and began locking in the new aesthetics. Here we are for day 3. We spent most of the morning setting the falls. You can see the new custom handset stone waterfall here. We did also reposition the spillway, moving it out of the main viewing angle for a more natural flow. Here you can also see we are resetting the patio stones for a seamless edge between the hardscape and the water feature as well. And here we are also relining the feature with the plantings. We then started to clean and rinse the inside of the basin and do any final cleanup and touch-ups before we started filling the basin as well, which is a very satisfying part if you ask me. And that's a wrap! If you're ready to bring your pond back to life or build a new feature, definitely give us a call. But thank you for watching. Make sure to like and hit the subscribe button.